So welcome back. So it's another day, another ride, another interesting place to explore. मुझे पता है बहुत दिन के बाद आई एम व्लॉगिंग और I should say like going for a ride. Was a bit caught up with a little bit of you know personal matters. So इसलिए I couldn't go for any rides or uh, anything as such. So here we are. So देखते हैं, I mean how the weather is. I mean it's not raining that much since the last 1 or 2 days. So good with that. And already I can see traffic. It's just just 2 minutes past 5 o'clock in the morning, and we already have traffic. क्या करे? That's one of the things that you have to get used to when you are living in a big city like Mumbai. तो आज हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं? हम लोग जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं. मैं तो मतलब सोच रहा हूँ कि कोई ऐसा कुछ प्लान नहीं है. तो सोच रहा हूँ आज इतना कुछ बारिश नहीं है तो कोई बीच साइड जाए. तो अलीबाग, काशिद, वो साइड जाने का सोच रहा हूँ मैं. आई एम मिसिंग दैट कोस्टल रोड्स का वो जो वाइब है एंड ऑल दैट. तो आज इतना कुछ बारिश भी नहीं गिर रही है, तो इट्स अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस. आई नो काफ़ी बार हम लोग जा चुके हैं वो रास्ते से, बट एवरी टाइम यू गो देयर इट्स it's different. So I mean the vibe is different every time you go there. So इसलिए मुझे उस साइड जाना बहुत पसंद है. तो I mean thank you so much for all the likes, all the the comments that I'm getting, all the love I'm getting. We are slowly growing. Like we have crossed 100 subscribers. I know it's a tiny little number, to be honest, but for each and every subscriber, it's you have to work really hard to gain that subscription, right? Your content should have something to get that like button, subscribe button, and that share button. So thank you so much for all that, and I'll try my best to come up with videos that are worthy enough to be watched, actually. So thank you so much. So much of truck traffic today, like too many trucks actually. Oh wow, look at that. I don't know what's the name of that ghat, but look at the way the clouds are covering it, and this frame is like so amazing, man. It's better I just overtake these trucks, नहीं तो फंस जाए. And the old Mumbai Goa highway so far, I mean, they have done a really good job. I mean, I think Nagothane, Mangaon tak, the roads are like this, like silky smooth roads. फिर बीच में थोड़ा सा पैच है, but overall I think 85% I guess काम हो गया लगता है. I feel so because last time जब मैं गोवा से भी राइड किया था तो आई टुक द ओल्ड this highway back home. I mean when it's like 100% complete, then it will like pure heaven for us riders. The sun is like almost out. just like that, the Himalayan can overtake with ease. That's something that one of the best things about uh, this motorcycle, apart from the suspension, which I keep telling again and again. It can be a cruiser, it can be a street bike, it can be a adventure bike, it can be an off-roader. That's why it's an all-rounder. हाँ या थोड़ा बहुत negatives है, छोटे मोटे, not like major negatives, like छोटे मोटे, but you can live with it. It's not like a deal breaker or something like that. What's that? Lots of doggies. I think something is dead ahead. Dead. That's why these doggies are like. Something is dead. A dog got ran over by something, a truck or something like that. Not a good sight to see. The video of Maharashtra actually, like just now we just saw a view of that beach, and now a small foresty area, if I could say. You have everything. See, lush green forest. Should I call it forest? Yeah, it's actually a sanctuary. I don't know the name, but this is actually around a wildlife sanctuary. So yes, it's a forest, you could say, technically. And being a 21-inch setup, this Himalayan 450 is surprisingly performing well on the twisties. I think I've mentioned this before also, but I don't know. That's how it's surprising me every time. Oh, ho, ho, ho. See, we've almost reached Kashid. I don't know, I might stop at Kashid, or maybe I'll just go a little more ahead and just explore, because today's ride is just all about exploring. I mean, I didn't had a plan to come here today. I mean, speaking, I mean, I didn't had any destination as such, like where to go. I just in the morning I just picked up my bag and everything and just left. I'm not going to go till Murud, but I'll just go as much as I can, like to enjoy the nature, to enjoy the vibe. So this is Kashid, not so crowded at this point of time. Mostly people come after. Still I can see a lot of people, crowd stopping here. But if you come during the peak season, I mean the peak time, you'll see a lot of it's like a mini Goa, mini Gokarna, like that. All those water sports activities and things like that you can do over here.